Hey, what's going on, guys? Me and my nephew are going on a little overnight adventure trip. Gonna do a little bit of fishing since I haven't done it all year, and every time I plan on doing it I get all the stuff, got my license, I get to the place and I end up not fishing. So hopefully we'll at least get a couple of casts in. Tomorrow in the morning, hoping to do a little hike, one of our favorite spots. So yeah, come along and see what we can get into. Finally made it off the pavement. I'm gonna air down the tires to 25 psi to make it softer and continue on our way. Using a Curry quick deflator or easy deflator. Finally made it to our destination. Gonna spend the night in this little spot over here. I've camped here before. It's shaded, it's quiet. You only get one neighbor on the side of you over there. Little trail down to the lake over there. Let's get everything set up. Tent set up and some water boiled for some soups, some late lunch. So here's my soup. It's supposed to be Vietnamese pho soup. Been trying to find one, and every one that I found so far sucked. Let's hope this one tastes better. Sure looks good. Hey there, bud. Trying to have lunch with us.
That's crazy.
No fires tonight. We're camping on the south side of Olallie, and this is the lowest I've ever seen this lake. That was crazy. That's insane. Every time I've camped here, the water was to these rocks almost every single time. Not this far down. It's been a dry summer. Mount Jefferson. So we're out here fishing, finally. I got 2 bites. Justin actually hooked one but lost it as he was taking it out. So check out this scenery. Jefferson. Good times. Like I said previously, over there the water is getting really low, but we're having a good time. Uh-oh, he actually got one. Let's see if he can get it out. Oh, dang, that's a trophy size right there. Hey, you know you're gonna take it off yourself.
Hey, chill. What's up?
So you're gonna have to take it off yourself.
Bro.
Now this is becoming a joke. This guy's murdering these fish today. You gonna get this one out? That one would be a good eater if we brought the right stuff. There, you got that one right on the lip too.
Did I?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go.
Go ahead and release that one. Starting my lineup.
Let's go.
We got 0 luck. He's got 3 fish, I got none. Just 2 bites. Yeah, but what are the bites? Bites are useless.
So, big boy just hooked this first
Fish in 2 years.
puppy.
These are just,
Little baby one.
they must have released not.
Recently?
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, too bad we didn't bring stuff to keep them. Could have had some good tasty fish, because these are good eating.
Oh yeah, for sure. Bloop.
So, walking back from fishing, had a great success. Justin caught 3, I got 1, had a bunch of bites. So all in all, it was a good day. Time to get back to camp, put on some more warm clothes, and start on dinner. Alright, time to make some dinner. Gonna make some pulled pork sandwiches, which I love making these when I go camping. Very convenient and quick. So, gonna warm that up, toast the buns, and have some dinner. Get the buns toasting, get the pork warming up, wind picking up, and temperature going down. It's getting cold. today was a successful day. Starting to get dark, getting cold. Got my cup of tea. Gonna probably wrap up with today and start fresh tomorrow. We plan to do a hike around Monon Lake and go from there. After that, probably pack up and head home. So, see you guys tomorrow. Well, we survived the night. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It was warm inside, but not outside. Anyways, we're overslept a little bit, but we're gonna make some breakfast, some bacon, some eggs. Justin wants to make himself a sandwich out of burger buns. So we're gonna eat and try to go do the hike we were planning on. Since it's getting kind of late, we might not be able to do the whole hike, but we'll do a little bit of it. So, all right. And that's what's for breakfast. Actually, coffee Justin. We got a bun, an egg, 2 strips of bacon, 1 more egg, and a bun to finish off. Alright, time to get this taken care of. So we cleaned up the camp, got most of our stuff put away, and now we're gonna go hike. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, right? But we'll do part of it. And we'll go up to where Monon Lake is and see what it looks like up there. So, sitting here at Monon Lake. Got Olallie Butte behind us. It's been a great camping overnight adventure, I guess. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.